BigQuery Studio also provides an AI-powered collaborator for contextual chat and code assistance. Duet AI in BigQuery can understand the context of each user and their data, and uses it to auto-suggest functions and code blocks for SQL and Python. Through the new chat interface, data practitioners can use natural language to get personalized real-time guidance on performing specific tasks, reducing the need for trial and error or searching through documentation. So let's take a look. Duet AI is an umbrella brand used to describe Google's own use of generative AI to build expert assistants into its cloud products, including Workspace and Google Cloud Platform. Built on top of Google's leading large foundation models, Duet AI is specially trained to help you be more productive on Google Cloud. Duet AI in Google Cloud leverages the Vertex AI platform to provide personal and contextualized AI assistance while keeping your data private and secure. Duet AI in Google Cloud provides a new AI-powered collaborator to help your developers be more productive and your ops team more capable of optimizing infrastructure. It also makes the overall cloud experience intuitive. Duet AI in Google Cloud is an always-on collaborator that offers generative AI-powered assistance to a wide range of Google Cloud users, including developers, data scientists, and operators. To provide an integrated assistance experience, Duet AI is embedded in many Google Cloud products. For the purposes of this course, we will only discuss Duet AI and BigQuery, but feel free to explore other Duet AI courses and labs on our catalog. Duet AI and BigQuery can help you work with SQL. For instance, if you work with SQL queries that other people wrote, Duet AI in BigQuery can explain a complex query in plain language. Such explanations can help you understand the query syntax, underlying schema, and business context. For example, you might want to understand how data tables and queries are related in a sales dataset. Simply paste the query, highlight it, and then click on the Explain button. You will then see an explanation of what the query does in the panel on the right. The explanation is great if you have a SQL query to start with. But what if you get stuck and need some help with writing the query? Well, the SQL generation feature can help you here. You can provide a prompt to generate a SQL query based on your data schema. Even if you're starting with no code, a limited knowledge of the data schema, or only a basic knowledge of SQL syntax, Duet AI in BigQuery can suggest one or more SQL statements. Simply start off with a # in the query box and type out in natural language what you intend to do. Then hit Enter. Note that the comment is a single line, but wraps around in the display. Duet AI in BigQuery will then auto-generate a query for you. Simply hit the Tab button to accept the query and run it, or feel free to make changes to the query before you run it. Duet AI in BigQuery can also help with SQL completion by giving you suggestions as you type your query. For example, you want to use a certain function, but don't remember the exact syntax. Duet AI in BigQuery will prompt you suggestions as you type your query, which you can accept or modify. We spent the module talking about BigQuery Studio. Let's do a quick recap. Firstly, it provides a unified workspace including both a SQL and a notebook interface, allowing data engineers, data analysts, and data scientists to perform end-to-end tasks including data ingestion, pipeline creation, and predictive analytics, all using the coding language of their choice. Next, it allows easy resource exploration and discovery, powered by Dataplex. With Dataform included, you now have a centralized source control and revision history for code asset management. And finally, BigQuery Studio gives you assistive data experiences powered by Duet AI,